Hi, my name is Regan Brown. Using Liberty Aid, I have successfully set up 2 trust bank accounts. I have transferred all assets into a trust, and I have successfully applied for and gotten a SNAP EBT card from my state. So, thank you, Liberty Aid. Not only has Liberty Aid helped me in setting up materials related to content offered in its courses and information I wouldn't have known without Liberty Aid, it has also helped me have the courage to do things I would already have known how to do. I was just kind of afraid to do it anyway. So it helped me with knowledge, nothing illegal, nothing nefarious. It's just very straightforward. Most people that I encountered, well, like the bankers or lawyers or people that worked at the bank, and they were all very friendly and understanding, and I did not have hardly any trouble at all. So I think everybody on this planet should do this. I don't know why this is so difficult. I don't know why more people aren't doing it. I really don't get it. It's really easy. So, I will offer proof of my bank account and my trust paperwork at the end of this video. Thank you.